At 25, everything feels possible, but one silent mistake today can quietly destroy your financial future tomorrow. Most people think their 20s are for enjoyment, but ignore this phase and your 30s will become survival mode. Living like you're rich when you're actually broke is the fastest way to stay poor forever. If your expenses rise faster than your income, you're building a life you cannot sustain long-term. Wealth grows quietly through discipline, not loudly through expensive appearances and social media validation. Not saving money because you believe you will earn more later is one of the most dangerous financial illusions. Emergencies don't wait for your future success. They come suddenly, and without savings, you are completely exposed. Without savings, even a small problem pushes you into debt, and debt quietly begins to control your life. Depending only on salary, without building extra income streams, is one of the riskiest financial decisions you can make. Your 20s are the best time to build skills and create multiple income streams that can change your financial future. As income increases, lifestyle quietly expands, turning small luxuries into daily habits that slowly consume financial stability. Many young people spend beyond limits just to maintain appearances, unknowingly trading financial security for temporary social validation. Without emergency savings, one unexpected situation can destroy financial progress, forcing desperate decisions and long-term financial setbacks. Your environment influences your financial behavior, and the wrong circle can normalize habits that silently destroy your future. Ignoring financial education keeps you trapped in cycles of mistakes, while knowledge quietly builds the foundation for lasting wealth. In your 20s, chasing quick money often leads to bigger losses, because real wealth is built through patience and discipline. Comparison steals your focus and pushes you into unnecessary spending, forgetting that every financial journey has its own timing. Without clear financial goals, money comes and goes without purpose, leaving you busy but never truly progressing. Relying on one source of income is risky, because one disruption can instantly collapse everything you have built. At some point, reality hits hard and you realize that continuing the same habit will only lead to deeper regret. Change begins with a decision, the moment you accept responsibility and choose a different financial path for your future. Clear goals give direction to your money, turning random spending into intentional decisions that gradually build real wealth. Financial education transforms your mindset, helping you understand money deeply and make smarter decisions that secure your future. Small expenses seem harmless, but removing them creates space for savings and investments that grow over time. Building another income stream gives you control, reducing dependence on salary and opening new opportunities for growth. Emergency savings act as a shield, protecting you from unexpected situations without forcing you back into debt or panic. You do not need millions to start investing. Consistency with small amounts builds powerful financial growth over time. Not all debt is bad, but avoiding unnecessary borrowing keeps you free and focused on building real financial strength. Surrounding yourself with growth-minded people pushes you forward, shaping your habits and decisions toward long-term success. Every smart decision you make today builds the life you will enjoy tomorrow, shaping the future version of yourself. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you consistent, ensuring your financial habits remain strong even on difficult days. When you track your money, you gain control, exposing waste and directing your income to the meaningful financial goals. Choosing long-term benefits over short-term pleasure builds true wealth, even when it feels uncomfortable in the moment. Success is not one big action, but small, consistent habits repeated daily, shaping your financial future gradually. Financial freedom starts in the mind, where your beliefs about money determine the actions that shape your future. Breaking old habits is difficult, but necessary, because your future cannot change if your daily actions remain the same. Consistency may feel slow, but over time it compounds, turning small disciplined actions into powerful long-term financial success. Distractions are everywhere, but staying focused on your goals separates those who grow financially from those who stay stuck. Every small win matters because it builds confidence and reminds you that your efforts are working, step by step. Over time, your habits shape your identity, and you become someone who understands, respects, and controls money effectively. When you start thinking long-term, your decisions change, focusing more on building stability instead of chasing temporary satisfaction. Not every invitation deserves your money. Learning to say no protects your future and strengthens your financial discipline. Understanding value helps you spend wisely, ensuring that every naira works for you instead of being wasted carelessly. The best investment you can make is in yourself, because your skills determine how much value and income you can create. Discipline may feel restrictive today, but it creates the freedom you will enjoy tomorrow, shaping a life without constant financial stress. Your decisions today can break cycles that lasted generations, creating a new financial story for yourself and those after you. Growth takes time, and patience allows your efforts to mature into something meaningful instead of quitting too early. Mistakes are not failures. They are lessons that guide you toward better decisions if you are willing to learn. Focus is your greatest asset, because staying consistent on your goals keeps you moving forward while others lose direction. Financial freedom is not luck. It is the result of consistent discipline, smart decisions, and patience practiced over time. Growth begins when you stop making excuses and take full responsibility for your financial decisions and future outcomes. When every naira has a purpose, you eliminate waste and give your money direction toward meaningful financial progress. Impulse buying feels good in the moment, but controlling it protects your finances and strengthens your long-term discipline. Progress may feel slow sometimes, but staying patient ensures that your efforts continue growing into something meaningful over time. Your life changes not from one big decision, but from small, consistent choices repeated every single day. Smart investors spread risk across different assets, ensuring one loss does not destroy entire financial progress. Emotions destroy portfolios. Discipline and patience help investors stay consistent and avoid costly financial mistakes. Consistency beats timing. Investing regularly helps reduce risk and builds wealth steadily regardless of market fluctuations. Always build an emergency fund. It protects you from unexpected expenses without forcing desperate financial decisions. Wealth is built over time. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and let patience transform your financial future. Markets move in cycles. Recognizing patterns helps you stay calm during downturns and confident during growth phases. Compound interest grows your money exponentially. The earlier you start, the more powerful your financial growth becomes. Quick money promises often lead to losses. True wealth requires patience, discipline, and informed financial decisions. Knowledge is your strongest financial weapon. The more you learn, the better your decisions and results become. Relying on one income source is risky. Multiple streams create stability and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Passive income allows you earn even while resting. Build systems that generate money without constant daily effort. Active income requires your time. Passive income frees your time while still generating consistent financial returns. A solid budget directs your money wisely, ensuring you spend intentionally while still investing for future growth. Small expenses add up quickly. Eliminating unnecessary spending creates more room for saving and investing wisely. Your skills determine your income. Invest in knowledge and self-improvement to unlock greater financial opportunities. Inflation reduces purchasing power over time. Investing wisely helps your money grow faster than rising living costs. To protect your wealth, invest in assets that grow faster than inflation and preserve your financial strength. Know your risk tolerance. It helps you choose investments that align with your comfort and long-term financial goals. High-risk investments offer higher returns but more volatility, while low-risk options provide stability and consistent growth. Clear goals give direction to your money. Define your targets and build a structured plan to achieve them. Balance your short-term needs with long-term ambitions. Smart planning ensures today's comfort without sacrificing tomorrow's financial freedom. What gets measured improves. Track your finances regularly to stay motivated and make informed adjustments along your journey. As income grows, control your spending. Avoid lifestyle inflation and channel extras into investments and wealth creation. Discipline is the foundation of financial success. Consistent habits over time create powerful and lasting wealth results. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep moving forward with purpose. Technology has made investing easier than ever. Use digital tools wisely to monitor, analyze, and grow your wealth efficiently. Guidance accelerates growth. Learn from those who have succeeded financially and apply their wisdom to your journey. Mistakes are powerful lessons. Analyze your losses, adjust your strategy, and come back stronger in your financial journey. Financial markets evolve quickly. Stay informed and adapt your strategy to take advantage of new opportunities. Consistency compounds success. Small daily financial actions build momentum and lead to extraordinary long-term results. Your mindset shapes your financial reality. Believe in growth, stay disciplined, and maintain a strong wealth-building mentality. Fear can hold you back. Face uncertainty with knowledge and courage to unlock powerful financial opportunities. Every small win matters. Celebrate progress because consistent builds confidence and fuels your long-term success. Volatility is normal. Stay patient and focused because long-term investors benefit from market fluctuations over time. This is the reward of discipline, patience, and smart decisions. Your journey can lead to true financial independence. True wealth is not just about money. It is about impact, lifting others, and creating lasting positive change. Financial knowledge must be shared. Teach others so they can also build strong and independent financial futures. Build wealth that lasts beyond you. Create a legacy that supports future generations and secures their opportunities. Success should not change your values. Stay humble, stay grounded, and continue making wise financial decisions. Now it is your turn. Take action today, apply what you have learned, and begin your journey to financial freedom. Take time to reflect on your progress. Reviewing your journey strengthens your confidence and sharpens future decisions. Markets change, and so should your strategy. Adapt wisely to stay aligned with your evolving financial goals. Growth requires commitment. Stay focused, keep learning, and continue building your financial future step by step. Your journey can inspire others. Share your knowledge and success to empower those around you. This is only the beginning. Keep moving forward, stay consistent, and unlock the limitless potential of your financial journey. Forget quick wins. Real wealth rewards patience, discipline, and a clear long-term financial vision. Control your emotions. Fear and greed destroy portfolios faster than bad investments ever could. Financial education is your greatest asset. The more you learn, the more confidently you earn. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's created daily through consistent, smart financial decisions and discipline. Start today. Your financial future is not luck, it's a decision you make consistently every single day. Consistency beats intensity. Small financial actions repeated daily create powerful long-term wealth outcomes. As income grows, control your lifestyle. Avoid unnecessary upgrades that silently drain your financial progress. Never depend on one income source. Build multiple streams to protect and grow your financial future. Risk is necessary, but it must be calculated. Smart investors understand risks before making bold financial moves. Discipline today creates freedom tomorrow. Every wise financial decision moves you closer to true independence. Wealth begins in the mind. When you think differently about money, your entire financial reality begins to change. Your financial limits are often self-imposed. Break them with knowledge, action, and an unstoppable mindset. Never underestimate small steps. Each disciplined action builds momentum toward massive financial success. Confidence grows with knowledge and action. The more you understand money, the more power you gain. Think beyond yourself. True wealth is not just what you earn, but what you pass on. Financial freedom means having control over your time, choices, and life without constant money stress. Motivation fades, but discipline stays. Build habits that push your financial growth even on difficult days. Ideas are useless without execution. Take action consistently, and your financial goals will become reality. No one will care about your money more than you. Take full responsibility for your financial future. This is just the beginning. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and your financial journey will transform your life. Before you turn 30, every financial choice matters. Spend wisely, invest early, stay disciplined, and build habits today that secure freedom, stability, and lasting wealth for your future.